35,000 impressions, 734 followers, and 600 plus connections, all organically on LinkedIn for a personal brand. How did we at Neelunco achieve this in just 3 months for a client? We kept it very simple actually. Whenever we onboard a new client, we sit with them and we try and understand who is their target audience, who are the people that they are trying to sell to. We also encourage our clients to pick a niche if they don't already have one. A focused area in business means a focused marketing strategy. Not only did we start a new LinkedIn account for her from scratch, we also optimized her LinkedIn profile. We started posting content that spoke to her ideal clients and target audience, and we did it very consistently, 5 times a week. We noticed that certain posts that were not doing really well on Instagram were getting massive results on LinkedIn. So we started tweaking the strategy to improve upon what is working. If you would like your brand to get noticed on LinkedIn, reach out to Neelu & Co and let us help you.